Ultimate high-protein red lentil egg soup recipe. Greetings, everyone! Soup Formula Recipes provides examples of soup recipes written with the help of the soup formula, first introduced in the book Soup Formula. This information is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we are preparing the recipe Ultimate High-Protein Red Lentil Egg Soup. This isn't just a bowl of soup. It provides nutritional synergy, designed to maximize both flavor and bioavailability. We are using the FMAVGLAG soup formula to build this, ensuring every spoonful is perfectly balanced. Let's get into the sauté phase. This is where we build our flavor foundation. We're going to unlock those fat-soluble nutrients. Start by heating 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in your Dutch oven or stock pot. Once that's warm, add 2 large, diced red onions. Sauté those for about 5 minutes until they're soft and translucent. Now, the next step, blooming the spices. Add 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, smoked paprika, and ground cumin, plus 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Sauté this for just 60 seconds. You'll smell it immediately. By blooming these spices in the fat, we make their antioxidants significantly more bioavailable. Next, we move to the simmer phase to extract the hardiness. Stir in 3 cups of rinsed red lentils, 4 cups of small cauliflower florets, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 1 cup of rinsed quinoa. Now, pour in 10 cups of high-quality bone broth and about 2 to 4 cups of water, depending on how thick you like your soup. Bring this to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer until the lentils and cauliflower are tender, usually about 25 to 35 minutes. We're almost there. This is the finish phase, where we introduce our final protein and preserve those delicate nutrients. First, take 6 large eggs, whisk them in a bowl, and slowly drizzle them into the hot soup while stirring gently. This creates beautiful, protein-rich ribbons, the signature of this recipe. Now, stir in the juice of 2 large lemons. This acidity is the biochemical catalyst that increases the absorption of the iron from our lentils. Finally, fold in 8 cups of fresh baby kale. The residual heat will wilt these greens in about 2 minutes without destroying their delicate vitamin K. And there you have it. Top it with some fresh cilantro or parsley, and perhaps a dollop of Greek yogurt if you like. This is the ultimate high-protein red lentil egg soup, nutrient-dense, balanced, and ready to nourish. Enjoy! That's all for now. Thank you for being here and for sharing this time together. The remaining portion of this video is the ultimate high-protein red lentil egg soup recipe, with this same recipe also available in the description area of this video. Thank you. Journey on.